Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from your trial balance. You will find this question on page number 212, question number 20. Before solving the problem, you have to keep in mind 2 points. Point number 1 is whenever you find asset in the question, you have to write that amount in debit column. Whereas if you find liabilities, you have to write the amount in credit column. Assets and expenses shows debit balances, whereas liabilities and income shows credit balances. That is why you have to write that asset amount and expenses amount in debit column and vice versa, which is nothing but liabilities and incomes you have to write on credit column. Let's see the problem number 20. Prepare trial balance of Dr. Chilumula Srinivas from the following balances as on 31st December 2018. So 31st December 2018. So we are preparing the trial balance of Dr. Chilumula, particulars LF, debit amount, credit amount. Any trial balance consists of 4 columns. Particulars LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. So there are 4 columns here. Let's see how to solve this problem. You will find this question on page number 212, question number 20. Prepare trial balance of Dr. Chilumula Srinivas from the following balances as on 31st December 2018. Buildings 80,000. So buildings is a fixed asset. So asset shows debit balance, you have to write the amount on debit side. Buildings 80,000. Debtors, to whom we have to receive. Debtors are asset. So we have to write debtors here in particulars. How much is the amount? 60,000. 60,000 debtors. General reserve. General reserve is a liability for you, so you have to write general reserve. $70,000. Bank deposits. Bank's deposit is an asset for you, so you have to write on debit column. Bank deposits. How much is the amount? 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 is the bank deposits. Insurance is an expense for you. Insurance. How much? 10,000 rupees. Insurance shows expense, or asset value shows debit balances. Insurance comes under debit. Packing charges. Charges is nothing but expenses. Expenses comes under debit column. Packing charges. How much packing charges? 12,000 rupees. So 12,000 is nothing but packing charges. Capital is a liability for you. So next is capital. 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is capital. Creditors, to whom we have to pay. Creditors means to whom we have to pay the amount are known as creditors. It's a liability for us, and as you all aware of it, liabilities and income shows credit balances, which means we have to write the creditors amount in which column? In credit column. 50,000. Last, bad debts. Bad debts is an expense for you. So expenses shows debit balance 15,000 rupees in debit column. Let's see Dr. Chilumula Srinivas trial balance agreed or not. How you are going to know that? Go for the total of debit column and credit column. Yes, debit side total 80,000, 60,000, 1,20,000, 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. So 7, 8, 6, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Carry 1. 2,97,000 is the total of debit column. Whereas, what is the total of this? How much we are getting? 2,97,000 for this. One of the transaction we left for creditors is bad debts provision we have left. So actually 2 bad debt is given over there. So that is why I left one transaction. Bad debts provision is also given over there. Bad debts provisions, which is also a liability and comes under credit side. So how much? 27,000 rupees. So now check the total of credit side after writing the bad debts provision. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2,70,000, 2,90,000, 2,97,000. Look at here, 70,000, 1,50,000, 50,000, and bad debts provision shows credit balance. It's a liability, so you have to write in a credit column 27,000. 10, 17, 19, carry 1, 2,97,000. Dr. Chillumala Srinivas trial balance total is 2,97,000. So it is agreed now. How much? 2,97,000. 2,97,000 is the total of debit side. 2,97,000 is the total of credit side. So what you have done here, we have prepared the trial balance of Dr. Chillumala Srinivas. The details has been given in the question, page number 212, question number 20. The assets belongs to debit, the assets amount belongs to debit column because assets and expenses shows debit balance, whereas liabilities and income shows credit balance, means we have written the liabilities. And the last we left over is bad debts provision is 27,000. This is liability. Total of these liabilities 2,97,000 credit column, total of this debit is 2,97,000. Both debit and credit column agreed, which means our answer is correct. Thank you.